Hey, what's up guys, Navneet here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get the product with iPhone 10 for under $10. So let's just get right into it. This is the package itself. It says Skin Nova Premium Skins. On the back it says True 3D Textures, Scratch Protection and Removable. And so let's just open it. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. And this is just a pamphlet which gives you the link and the QR code to the instructions and how to apply the skin. So we'll just keep that aside. And here we have the skin. Damn, it looks so good. Okay, we also have it for the camera, that's the camera lens, and we also get a microfiber cloth. So the microfiber cloth is pretty nice. It has the word Gadget Shield imprinted on it. And let's just keep that aside, and here we have the skin, and let's set out all the things which we have from the package. Okay, so I'll just show you the phone after I apply the skin in 3, 2, 1, cue the music. The texture is quite amazing for the price. It's just 499 rupees or almost $9 to $10. So it covers all the edges of the phone, and it's a sandstone red finish. So it's very much similar to the product 10 iPhone. And you can see how the texture looks. It's pretty amazing. Like, I have no words to explain it. And here you can see it has covered the bottom ports except the speaker and the lightning port, and it's quite amazing to say. You have to definitely try it. So I give this a 5 out of 5. So it's almost equal to the quality of D brand, but in D brand you have two skins, the glass back and the one covering all the sides. This is the one covering all the sides, and I must say this is a very well built skin. So thanks for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Share it with someone who's planning to get a skin for the iPhone 10. And if you did like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching guys, that's it for this one. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.